A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. Today we will continue chapter 5, editing text in MS Word 2016. Okay, so here I have shared the presentation in which I have mentioned the topics. See, in this chapter we have already discussed about these three, starting MS Words, entering text, and opening, closing, and printing the text. See, printing text was left, so that I will explain today. Okay, and for today our main topics are selecting the text and inserting the text. Okay, see, for selecting text we have two methods. We can make selection using mouse, or we can make selection using keyboard only. Okay, and in inserting text we will learn about two modes: insert mode and overtype mode. Okay, so let's start with selecting the text using mouse. Okay, so these all are types of selection. Like if you want to select a word, okay, so then double click on the word. Okay, just do double click on the word. And if you want to select a sentence, then do click on the sentence by pressing the control key together. Okay, and for selecting a paragraph, triple click anywhere on the paragraph. And for selecting a large block, means outside the paragraph, then just press the shift key and click where till where you want to select. And for selecting entire document, click anywhere in the selection area while holding down the control plus A key, or triple click in the selection area. It will select the entire document. Okay, so first of all I'm just opening a document which we have already created, hello.docx. In the live class we have created. I have written some text here just to show you the practical of selection. Okay, so first here I am using the mouse for selecting the text. You just look at the position of the cursor carefully. Okay, the cursor is at the beginning of the document. Okay, for selecting a word I am double clicking. You can see only one word is selected. Okay, now for selecting a sentence, just do press the control key, okay, and click on the sentence. Okay, anywhere in the sentence you can click. Okay, next is if you want to select a paragraph, then do triple click from the mouse. Paragraph is selected. For selecting a large block, just press the shift key and click till where you want to select. Like till here I want to select, so in this way you can select. Okay, and for selecting the entire document, means including all the spaces and everything, so just press Ctrl plus A key and click anywhere in the selection area. In this way you can select the whole document. Okay, now coming to the next topic, which is selecting the text using a keyboard. So using a keyboard, mainly we have to use the shift key. Okay, you all can see here, for selecting the text using a keyboard, shift key is very important. In each selection we have to use the shift key. Okay, somewhere we will use arrow signs. See, if you want to make selection, just place your mouse cursor where you want to select. Like suppose I want to select the second line, so you have to move your mouse cursor at the beginning. Okay, with the help of arrow keys you can move the cursor. Okay, now to select left hand side, press shift key plus left arrow key. Okay, in this way you can just keep pressing the arrow keys, you can select multiple words or sentence. For selecting right hand side, press shift key plus right arrow key. Okay, for selecting a line, press line downwards, shift key plus down arrow key. Line upwards, shift key plus up arrow key. Okay, in this way you can select. It depends on the position of your cursor. Okay, if you will start selecting from here, then it will select a complete line. But if your mouse cursor is in the middle of any sentence, so it will do selection like this. Okay. Okay, now suppose if you are in the beginning of any line, your mouse cursor is at the beginning of any line and you want to select the whole line till end, so press shift key plus end key. You can select the whole line. And suppose just reverse situation. If you are at the end of any line and you want to select till beginning of the line, then press shift key plus home key. Okay. Okay, now for selecting the document from the beginning, suppose your mouse cursor is here and you want to select from the end, then press shift plus control plus home key. So till from beginning it has been selected, and if you want to select from the current position of mouse till end of the document, then press shift plus control plus end key. So it will select the data, select the text till end. Okay, so in this way we can make selection using mouse or keyboards. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Okay, now I have maximized the MS Word window to show you how to insert text in the document. Inserting text means after writing the text, if you want to add text in between, at the beginning, at the end, so that is called inserting the text. So how to insert text? We have two ways. We can insert text by using insert mode and using overtype mode. So what is the difference between these two? If we use normal insert mode, okay, so it type the text normally, it add the text in the sentence. Okay, like suppose here I have written, today we will learn about selecting text. Okay, I want to add, today we will learn about the topic. Okay, so see on the status bar you can see here it is written overtype. Click here again. Okay, now it is insert. It is insert mode. Okay, it means we are inserting text in insert mode. Okay, so first I am telling you about insert mode. Okay, if it is already insert, then do not click on it. Otherwise, if it is overtyped, then click on it. Okay, it will convert it to insert mode. Today we will learn about, now just place the cursor where you want to write. Learn about the topic, selecting text. You can see normally the text, the topic, these two words has been added. Okay, in the sentence. Now I am deleting these topics. Okay, now I am clicking on this insert option. Now it is overtype mode. Now the mode is overtype mode. My cursor is at the same position where it was earlier in the insert mode. Now I am writing same thing. So what it will do, it will delete the text to the right hand side. जो right hand side में text है, it will delete that text. Okay, वो उसको overtype करेगा. Okay, it will overtype it, means it will add the new one, remove the previous one to the right hand side. Okay, about the, you can see I have written the and SEL is deleted. Right, now see what happening, TO. You can see one by one words are getting, okay, you can see. Okay, so in this way this method works. It's up to you in which mode you want to add. By default the insert mode is active, so you can easily click anywhere in the document and you can easily add text. Okay, now as the last topic in yesterday's class was left, how to print the document. Okay, so for printing document, click on the file menu and click on the print option. It will show you the print preview of your document, how your document will look after printing, and from here you can give the print command. But right now no printer is added with my system, so I can't give the command right now. Okay, and the shortcut key to print the document is Ctrl plus P. Okay, so that's all for today. About remaining topics we will discuss in the next class. Bye bye.